Hi, my name is Edith, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to send birthday emails. To set up an email that will automatically go out on your client's birthdays, follow these steps. Go to Communication and click on Birthday Emails. Toggle on Birthday Emails located on the top right corner of your screen. Optionally, offer a promo code as a gift by clicking on the Add Promo button. Click on the Edit Design button to write and design your email. Once edited in your design, you can input your client's first name, last name, and your promo code using the merge tags option. And then click on Save and Close. Once your birthday emails are set up, it's totally hands-off for you. We will automatically email each client on their birthday, provided that their birthday is listed on their client file. And that's how you send birthday emails. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out at support@clinicsense.com. Have a lovely day.